This is how we exercise the puppy at night because she has so much energy we can't get any sleep. So we came up with this idea to put her toy on the fan with just some masking tape, so anything should happen it would just release, and she spends quite a lot of time trying to catch that little toy. Get it, Lucy. Get the toy, Lucy. Get it! Good girl. Get it, Lucy. Get it, Lucy. She's kind of tired already because she's been playing a long time with this. She's getting ready. She's going to get it. Watch out. She's going to get it. Almost. She almost got it. Good job, Lucy. Good girl. Good girl, Lucy. Okay, gotta go. Thank you for watching.